Okay, see anything you like?
I'm looking to buy some meat, but I want it to be really ethical.
Ah, yes. Oh, here she comes, right on time. How about her? She is a Wagyu. So that means she is grass-fed, free range, and she gets a massage 3 times a day.
Lovely, that sounds great.
I might be happy and have fantastic tasting meat, but I'm not ethical.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Get this. Farm animals are responsible for the same amount of planet-warming gases, CO2, methane, nitrous oxide, as all the world's cars, boats and planes put together.
Okay, that's enough.
Don't interrupt me, Jeff. We're all at it, us farm animals, but cows are the worst.
Well, no, you don't sound very ethical to me, so...
I'm not. It doesn't matter how organic I am. We'd all be far better off if you just had a nice carrot.
Well, you know what? I'm going to take your advice. Thank you very much. I'm going to be leaving. Goodbye. Good luck with your business.
You're welcome. Come again soon.
I'm very sorry. I just forgot one small thing. Ah! A talking cow!
Thanks.
Prepare yourself for an insane look at what they don't tell you in the science books. From inner space to the universe, we're on a case to face the worst. It's icky and it's whiffy and it's yucky and it's squishy, but we love it.